4 months of study plan. In month 1, we have to study 12 units. Okay, what are the chapters covering in that 12 units you have to study? All 3 subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, every 4 weeks of the month. First week, in physics, electrostatics; in chemistry, basics of organic chemistry, hydrocarbons and halides; in biology, diversity of living organisms up to plant kingdom. We can't able to cover whole plant kingdom and animal kingdom in a week. So we have to split it into 2. We can study the animal kingdom in the upcoming weeks. Okay. Second week, in physics, magnetism; in chemistry, hydrocarbons, chemistry in everyday life; in biology, reproduction. Third week, in physics, current, electricity; in chemistry, organic chemistry, aldehydes, ketones, ether; in biology, cell structure and functions. Fourth week, in physics, mechanic units and dimensions; in chemistry, polymers and organic compounds containing nitrogen; in biology, human welfare. These are the 12 units of the month. Fifth week, physics, law of motion; chemistry, mole, concept and state of matter; in biology, structure, organization in plants and animals. Sixth week, in physics, modern physics and optics; in chemistry, solutions, solid state, equilibrium. Seventh week, in physics, kinematics and work, energy, power; in chemistry, atomic structure; in biology, human physiology. Human physiology has 7 chapters in it. Okay, so we can split it into 4 for the 7th week and 3 for the upcoming week. Okay. 8th week, in physics, gravitation, mechanics of solid and liquid; in chemistry, chemical kinematics and surface chemistry; in biology, biotechnology. Third month study plan. 9th week, in physics, atomic, nucleus and semiconductors; in chemistry, chemical bonding; in biology, animal kingdom. 10th week, in physics, thermodynamics, kinetics, theory and property of motion; in chemistry, D block and F block elements; in biology, plant physiology. 11th week, in physics, mechanics, oscillation and waves; in chemistry, P block elements; in biology, ecology. 12th week, in physics, electromagnetic waves and communication system; in chemistry, classification of elements, S block elements, hydrogen and its compounds; in biology, human physiology, the remaining 3 chapters. 4th month, we have to do only revision and mock test. In the 3 months, 12 weeks, we have to study, practice, analyze.